Alright guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make application sales on Facebook. Essentially we're going to be targeting business owners and essentially driving them to a presentation that will allow them to see the power of a mobile custom app and how it will help them grow their business. So let's jump right into a quick demo here. Now the page I suggest you drive them to is the business presentation 3-step lead capture page. Now the business presentation page is designed for business owners, in which it's going to simply sell them the mobile custom app. As you can see, it says why businesses fail report. Now most business owners, especially the ones that we're going to target, they're going to be curious to see this report, especially when we kind of make it irresistible and enticing to click on. Alright, so let's go right into Facebook and we're going to create our ad. So the first thing you want to do is you want to essentially come down and click on create an ad. Alright, so what Facebook is going to do is it's going to give you the option to search by URL. So you simply click on search by URL and you want to paste in your affiliate link. Alright, so you paste in your affiliate link, and right here on the headline, what we really want to always do is we want to capture what's going on inside the prospect's mind. So if they click on an ad, we want to make sure that the ad resembles a little bit about what they're going to see on the page. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically say why businesses fail, ? And then we're just going to simply say free video reveals why 9 out of 10 businesses fail. This report has gone viral. See it now. Alright, so we can't put the exclamation point in there, but see it now. We just made it. So why businesses fail. Free video reveals why 9 out of 10 businesses fail. This report has gone viral. See it now. Alright, so now what we want to do is we want to add an image. Alright, so typically what I would do is I would create something custom, but for right now what I'm really feeling for some reason is something that creates curiosity. Okay, so why don't we go to Google and search for a question mark. Alright, we'll search for a question mark because we're kind of asking a question. So let's find a question mark that really kind of pops. Let's see, something that, we'll do this one. It looks like a people. It's actually a little people, but it's a question mark. So we'll go ahead and we'll save this. We'll save this image as question mark. Alright, so as you can see, we've uploaded the image, and if we wanted to, we can totally customize it and put a box around it. And if you want to learn how to really customize your images, if you go back to partner sales training and you look at the Facebook training, I teach you how I edit a lot of my ads, or I should say my images, with Paintbrush. But for right now, we'll just leave this the way that it is. So why businesses fail, it's kind of like a question mark there. What would look really good here is a box around this and maybe another arrow pointing at the question mark. But you can see free video reveals why 9 out of 10 businesses fail. This report has gone viral. So now what we want to do is we want to start targeting business owners. Now what you can do, instead of doing a precise interest, you can literally click on business technology. And if you come down over here, you can see where it says small business owners. If I click on this, you can see small business owners. And literally, there's 7 million people. The last time I looked, there were 6 million business owners. It's already up 1 million business owners. 7,449,180 people are business owners that we can target. So what I want to do is I want to get a little bit more targeted for each ad. So we're going to come down, we're going to say 21 to let's say 23 for this ad, so we can be really targeted, and that brings us down to a little over 1 million people, and you can see we can get clicks for as little as 65 cents. So what I'm going to come down here and do now is I'm just going to say we're going to title this campaign, we're going to call it business owners. Alright, and then we can set our budget. Let's say we set it at $25 a day. Now remember, you're getting $1,000 per sale. Okay, so you can literally spend up to $1,000 to make one sale. So don't be afraid to invest in your business, especially when you're going after business owners. All right, so as you can see, the suggested bid is 109. Now, like I said, when I start, I always start with whatever Facebook says is their suggested bid, and then I'll come back in a few days later and drop the bid. So if I say $1.12, and I would simply hit place order, and that would be our first ad. And then I would come back in and create another ad and say age 23 to 25, and I would target just men, and I would create ads just for men and ads just for females, and then that way I can see which age group and which demographics converts better. All right, so very, very simple who you target, small business owners. All right, so another thing that you can do to think outside of the box is, if you don't want to do business owners, you can definitely do something like this if you wanted to target a specific niche. So for example, if I wanted to go after realtors, I would just simply type in realtors, and you can see like the National Association of Realtors. So start thinking deeper into who could leverage an app. You know, I've never actually typed this in, so let's see what happens if I type in restaurant. All right, so you can see I type in restaurant, and let's see, chain restaurants is a pretty good one. So look, I can target all of these chain restaurants, and you know, so it's different things that you can do to place these ads to target businesses and sell apps directly to them. All right, so this is very simple. This is a powerful way for you to drive autopilot commissions into your bank account. All right, Vin Treat here, and I'll see you on the internet.